Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage sleep time settings on XIAOMI Smart Camera C200. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, navigate to the camera settings, inside select sleep settings. Here you'll be able to activate or deactivate a sleep timer, and on the bottom you can click on scheduled sleep time. When you enter it, you can set different schedules when will your camera enter a sleep time. So enable sleep mode at scheduled time or disable mode at a scheduled time. We're gonna go with the first one and then change the repeat, so you can set when will this mode activate, once, every day, or a custom. If you select a custom, you can pick any day of the week or even all of them. Then we can start sleep mode at a certain time. In this case, we're gonna go for 5:35. Then we can save it, and that way our sleep mode should start at 5:35 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.